What do you think?
Testing the headless doggo station. How's your water spot working? Good? Food spot good? Ready for a trip? Do your checklist. You ready to go? Huh? Ready to rock and roll? This weekend's adventure, we are heading to look at some more land. But of course we got to start with a walk around. Check everything. And then we'll hit the road. Fluid check and all the goodies. Captain Deuce ready to drive. You ready to go? He says, nope, I ain't driving today. On the road. Let's roll. Stop number 1 outside of DC. Still rocking and rolling. On to the next stop. Stop number 2. Somewhere in Virginia. Potty times. Bell chime time. Beautiful morning. Start a rainy day. Ready to start your day, Captain Deuce?
Jeez.
Easy. Jeez. A little excited for the breakfast, ain't? So excited you fall out of bed, ain't?
Took the bed with.
Hey, fell right out of bed. Said, man, I want some eggs.
Essentials. The most important part of the morning.
I know it's a bit rainy outside, but we gotta start the day and get going, okay? So I'll check the tires, you start the car, alright? On a rainy day. That's what we weigh, 7,500 pounds. Property number 1. What do we got? 7 acres? 6 acres? In the woods, beside the cemetery and the church. Near home. Got a van hiding back there. Cemetery right beside us, which is a bonus. We like our nice quiet neighbors. We have no issues with that. Quietest neighbors around.
Good thing we got weighed. No kidding.
Yeah, 26 tons. We're barely 4. We're like 3.5. I gotta see what our total gross vehicle weight can be. Looks like it turns here. We got more cemetery up this way. See a big headstone right there? That must have turned. Yeah, there's a pink line.
Okay.
And straight up from where I'm pointing is a little
tiny tree.
And then it turns down this way. Yep, right there's the water. Here's the Army Corps lines. So we're just gonna go look here and come right back up.
Okay.
Well, we have to find where our pink part is over here to see how far down we have to make it. Yeah, right into the mosquitoes.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, we have access all day long. We have actually a lot of access.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
All right, we're back to the top. Almost. Pretty much. Now we run right up the street to location number 2. It's right here. It fell down. See the bar?
Oh, I see.
This one we have water access, but no dock access. That's another person's dock. Yep, a little too close to the neighbors. I'm getting hungry. Let's go find a nice spot to eat. John Kerr Dam. Them vultures is bigger than you. What are you gonna do? They're gonna take you away. Ready for some tacos at the dam? Not a bad way to start the afternoon. A break from looking at stuff or looking at properties to check out McCallum Moore Museum and Garden. A nice little spot with all kinds of stuff. See, I have my own Greek goddess. Those are traps, and which ones are the good ones? Go, Captain Deuce. Wow.
You're beautiful.
We brought our own statue.
You're beautiful.
Attack statue.
Okay, come on.
Attack statue.
Stay here. You have to go down the steps if you want to go that way.
Come on, this way, come on. You coming? Come here. Come on.
No, go this way. Go this way to
Come
go
here.
pee.
Come on.
Go pee right straight ahead. It's just a little leash here. Not that anyone's going to set anything. See what I mean? Like, you could climb down there if you were very careful.
Yeah.
On a not slippy day. It's pretty cool. You can see right through.
Nice enough for camp at.
I would totally sit down there on a nice day.
Sure.
It's not all
Maybe later if it dries out.
wet and slippy. Where'd she go?
Back up this way.
She's like, I don't want to go.
Leading the way. Camp Occoneechee. Camp Okie Dokie.
Occoneechee.
Oh, I'm sorry. Camp Occoneechee. I say Camp Okie Dokie. Because it's pretty okie dokie to me. Now you're camping, Deucey. Behind the bars. Safe for the Deuce behind the bars. Now we're cooking the food. You're supposed to be in jail. Get back. Get back, Emino, get back. Chicken bowls. Fire. Ta-da, sticks.
Here's the flail.
And Runaway.
A few moments later.
And 10 minutes later, we're down to raining on the fire. What are you doing, Captain Deuce? Hi. Strawberry cone thing.
Strawberry, banana, s'mores.
Well, shit. Kind of flooded out now. Little floody. Little floody. Awoken to rainy day. That's alright. A little breakfast. Showers. Get the day started. Sleep induced. Try to feed your gremlins. Tight fit, but we've gotten so used to it, it's not a big deal to use it. There you go. Now you gotta clean the mess, clean the bathroom, and get ready for the day. Well, if we wanted to go swimming, we'd be good, but still flooded. It's all packed up. We're still flooded out. But before we go, got to check the tire pressures, as always. Even in the rain. We're good on that one. All tire pressure's good. Deucey pressure's good. And it stops raining, of course. More land to look at. Lots of the trees. Quiet area.
Magic doorway.
Alright, let's go climb down some banks. Oh, it's a little creek.
That's
Cute.
tiny. Look right through the trees. That's the water.
Yeah.
Watch something. Can you get through the brambles there? Yep.
Launch right here.
I didn't know if it grew.
Oh yeah, yeah,
across
you can go right through.
Look, somebody got a little bridge over there.
Yep, let's follow the water. Easy when you follow the water. Squishy. Don't step on it.
Trying not to get it on my ankles.
Yeah, I'm digging this layout. Just hope it goes to water.
Oh, look at that tree. Wow, look at that rock.
So I said, we've got some gnarly rocks.
Look, but it's smooth away from the water. It's like indented. That's cool as shit.
Very own creek. Well, this one's not flooded yet. Could be yet, but what'd you find, Deuce? Out in the rain? What are you doing in here?
Like up a little overnight privacy.
There you go. Rain's stopping a little bit now, so we might be able to enjoy the not so flooded campground here. Where are we at? Longwood Park Campground?
Yes.
Yeah, Longwood Park Campground. And got us a nice little setup. Water everywhere.
Beautiful.
Quiet, but just a little rainy. Rainy day coffees. What about you? You playing in the rain or what? Hard at thought, watching the fish. Are you cooking us dinner? Is it good? Here, I got your bowl. You ready to eat? Oh no, breaking the law, breaking the law. Captain Deuce gonna break the law. Swimming hole. Ain't got a lifeguard. Turn up the heat.
The next day.
Stretch it out, doggo. At least it ain't raining. Walk around's good. Hard at work today. Crunching numbers. Making breakfast.
Lots of water.
A whole lot of going nowhere.
3 hours later. 2 hours later.
I think we were in traffic jams for something like 5 hours before we made it back safely. But now that we're back home, we're going to park this thing up and maybe later on the week start working on different things. Thanks for watching.